today I am going to share my reaction after reading the learning activity, which is about types of communication according to mode, context, purpose, and style. At first, I thought that communication was just about talking, but after reading the learning activity, I realized that communication is more than words. We communicate in every day in many ways. So this topic helped me understand how important communication in our daily life. So first, let's talk about communication according to mode. The first one is the verbal communication. This is when we use words to talk to other people. For example, when I talk to my friends, answer my teacher in the orals, or call my family on the phone. That is an example of a verbal communication. I realized that the way we say words, like the tone of our voice, is very important because it can change the meaning of the message. Communication. This really caught my attention because even without speaking, we still communicate. Our facial expressions, body language, eye contact, and gestures to send messages are example of this one. So, for example, scenario is the when someone is silent but looks angry, we already understand how they feel. So, the last one is the visual communication. This includes pictures, charts, videos, and presentations. I noticed that visuals help us understand information faster, especially in school lessons and social media. The next one is the communication according to context. The first is the intrapersonal communication. This is a communication with ourselves. I realize that every time I think, plan my day, or talk to myself in my head, I am already communicating. This type of communication helps me understand my feelings and my decisions. So lastly is the communication according to purpose and style. So first one is the formal communication, which uses proper and polite languages. So examples of this one are reports, speeches, and school presentations. I realized that this is very important in serious situation because it shows respect and professionalisms. On the other hand, informal communication is casual and friendly. This is what we use when talking to our friends and our families. It helps us build closer relationships and makes communication more comfortable. So, this topic helped me understand that communication was not just about talking. It is about how, where, why, and with whom we communicate. By knowing the different types of communication, I believe we can express ourselves better and understand others more clearly. Thank you.